wait to start my festivities. Look how massive this is. I am definitely taking so many pictures here.
All for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes. Open fire from the light till the mistletoe. And as soon as you remove.
Walk into a world of Christmas to witness the grandeur of the festival. From Christmas trees to art installations, live performances to shopping discounts, there's a lot Phoenix Marketcity beholds.
We will be alright.
Enter the world of Christmas by stopping by the tallest Christmas tree. It's 75 feet tall and adorned with over 50,000 flickering lights.
Close to you. No one else here does what you do. Let's start.
Walk around the mall to see other special installations created by Spanish sculptor and artist Manolo. Each installation is hand-cut and painted by Manolo himself. Celebrate the festival with friends and family as you catch live gigs, Christmas carols, watch jugglers and even carnival dancers.
Let's meet the side. It's getting cold.
Well, Christmas for me indeed never felt this grand. But now I'm off to grab some super deals that they have at their various shops. And also, you can shop and win by participating in various contests where you can win grand prizes.
All for Christmas, it's a magical time. Full of kisses, let's go outside and tickle a snowman's nose and make angels.
With discounts like these, who wouldn't shop till they drop? And now it's time for me to go and indulge in some Christmassy food at Seoul.
Chimney, a little grin. We will be alright. This holiday will open our mind. I only want you to be close to you.
I've had truly Merry Christmas here today with all this fun and frolic and let's for all around. And if you're looking to celebrate in a grand way too, don't miss this grand celebration and events at Phoenix Marketcity, Bangalore.
Show